आंतरराष्ट्रीय चली भुरग्यांक भेटयल्ल्या दिसा निमतान GMCन खासा कार्यावळीचें आयोजन जालें. गरबीज बायलां खातीर खासा कावन्सिलिंग सुरू करपाचेर तशेंच चलयांच्या सशक्तीकरणाचेर बायल आनी भुरग्यां उदरगत मंत्रालयाचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयलो.
Sitting here, it's very important for us to start counseling women and counseling women in a way who are pregnant women, because a lot of times people illegally want to know what is the future of the child, what is the status, whether it's a boy child or a girl child, which is actually illegal. And what I was thinking is that there should be a group of counselors that's engaged, and encourage them and encourage and counsel parents in a manner in which, once they're detected that the lady is pregnant, is to ensure that we do it in a very different way. And it's important for us to educate the society and educate the community, to ensure that we are able to create a system where we are conscious of our responsibilities, conscious to see that the girl child completes her education, conscious to see that she is economically stable, conscious to see that she is able to stand on her own feet and face the challenges of today. Empowerment of women is very important. Empowerment of a girl child is very important, but you must have that conscience also to help the service and serve the community.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश रावत.